Okay, welcome back. Let's look at the next feature. We just looked at text to image, and now we want to go over to text effects. So we're going to click on generate under Adobe Firefly, and you can see we've got some examples here that we can scroll through and use that as a starting point, and we can actually just enter the text effect that we want. But I think it's always easier to start from an example, and then you can start from there. So I just click that, and you can see the text effect style on the right side. It says mossy. All right. Okay, so we can see this is mossy here, but we can also just change the word. Let's just say I wanted to create the word organic with mossy. So you can see here the words change, and we can see what we have created. So we can submit this to the gallery, copy to the clipboard, the typical options. I'm gonna like and just download this. And we've got 4 variations we could choose from. So if I want to change the fill of this organic, I can just click that, and we can see it's regenerating. That's nice. Or if you want something a little bit more of this style, click that. There we go. So the background color is pink, but we can actually change it to transparent, which is, I think, more useful if you want to use it with a different background outside of Firefly, or you want to overlay it on top. It'll just be easier if it's transparent. Okay, let's try another one here. So I'm going to choose a word here. Okay, chic voyage. So right now we have mossy. So let's choose a different material. Platinum. And let's see what we get. Okay. Okay, we're getting sort of a futuristic metal feel. So I'm going to choose a variation here. Chic voyage. All right, I like this one. So I'm going to download this. Let's try one more just to drive the point home. I'm going to put my name. Let's try a different material. Let's put fire and water. Very nice. And we have some additional options on the right hand side here. I'm just going to like and download this first. Okay, so we have our text effects fit. We can make it tighter so it's closer together. We got medium. We got loose. We can also change the font because right now it's copper, but we've got some more options, not as much as Adobe has in their font library, but I think this is just beta, so it's just a limited amount of fonts right now. Hopefully they add more, and I expect they will. So let's try this font here. Okay, this interface actually has a similar feel to Adobe Express, this program here, which I'll be going into when we go into the next section. But yeah, we can also change some colors here on the background. We can change text colors. All right. Very nice. And I'm actually just gonna do one more. Nomad coin. Let's see if we can get some travel theme there. Let's make it bigger. Nomad coin. Yeah, that's cool. You can see the fill there. So I'm going to download this. And there you go. That is our introduction to text effects.